Hi, I'm Peyton, Peyton Seck. I'm here doing a vlog for MedTutors. I'm a second-year medical student at University of Medicine and Health Sciences, and we have to do the clinical component of our course in Portland, Maine. So this is the age of COVID. It's December 29th, 2020, and I am tasked with the job of getting a COVID test, rapid antigen test. There's the drive-through, and we're gonna get a COVID test. All right. So they ask you to present a confirmation code that they send you in an email. So make sure you receive this email. What else does she need? Oh, so you guys get one of these handy dandy little face shields. Woohoo! They have a nice wide nose piece so it goes over your mask nicely, and I haven't had problems with mine fogging up. And then I do use an N95. I feel like they're a little more effective. This is our bag. This is for my information only, she said. Got this swab, she said, insert it in both nostrils. Actually, first what I'm going to do is sanitize my hands just for fun for her. I keep, oh geez. So here we are, opening this bad boy. Swab each nostril, twirl 5 times. So yeah, that was relatively painless experience, but you know, I always had these 2 items on. The third thing is I always had my hand sanitizer handy dandy clip to my belt loop, and just tried not to touch anything. Just be very cautious. You can, you know, order your groceries online and go pick them up. Prior to leaving St. Kitts, I made sure that I had things like bottle of shampoo, toothpaste, you know, deodorant. Make sure you kind of bring what you need, if you need a water bottle, or, you know, so you minimize your trips out into society to get what you need. You just kind of get your items before coming here, I guess. And I don't know if it's going to be the same for you guys, but those are kind of some of the things I did. Hey everybody, we're here at Orchard Beach, Portland. The Walgreens I went to is just behind this amusement park, and came down to see the Ferris wheel. It's just beautiful here. You hear the waves crashing, and there's people walking on the beach, and hey, let's go walking on the beach, actually. Oh, it's just beautiful. Here, you guys want to walk with me for a minute? This is what it looks like. I mean, who wouldn't want to go to school here? You guys want to know what it's like, what's some of the things you have to do for the main semester. One of those things is to just take your own portrait photo. Because of COVID, you don't go to the school and get it done anymore. So it's very simple. It's just going to take you know, a minute or 2. But you dress professionally, wear your white coat. I have my stethoscope and put a pen in the pocket just in case. You want to look straight into the camera. I have a lamp here that I've set up to eliminate shadows, and I'm gonna smile, go pluck my other eyebrow because I only got one eyebrow plucked. Can use flash if you don't have a a flash on your camera. I'm using my Surface Pro. Cell phone hasn't come in yet. And you're going to crop the photo 3 inches above the head and 5 inches below the top of your shoulders. And then you want to crop the photo side to side, just including the edge of your shoulders. So you send that in. I'm just going to send mine to the program coordinator. So just really quickly take your photo and send it in. Do it yourself. Thanks. Bye. We are on a 10-minute break from a 1-hour segment featuring on gastrointestinal system and the diseases that we see and how to treat them. And it's more of a discussion-based experience where the student volunteer and figure out what's going on with the patient and how to develop differentials or problem lists, and then differentials, and then a diagnosis, and then treatment plan. So it's actually a really helpful way to learn is to be interactive. So we are getting that experience here. We're not just sitting and receiving a lecture. So pay attention, and it's just a more value-added learning experience that we have for this semester. So yeah, stay tuned. And just my 10-minute break, I just went and made some hot cider. So anyway, saying hello from Maine, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's Wednesday, so it's week Wednesday of my main semester. It happens to be the 3rd week. But anyway, Wednesdays you have off. Not really off, but you don't have any scheduled lectures you go to. So what I choose to do with the day is I go to one of my colleagues' house, colleague/friend, who lives nearby, and we just got done practicing our physical examinations. We mainly focused on neurological examinations, and we filmed our specific segments of that examination. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. My name is Peyton. I'm a second-year medical student at UMHS. May I have your name?
Yes, I'm Daphne.
Well, thank you for coming in, Daphne. I'm going to be doing a cranial nerve examination on you and testing your senses, and I'll be required to have you do a few motions and commands. I might be touching you very briefly. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
If you're uncomfortable, just let me know and we'll adapt. I plan on the rest of the day reviewing my didactic slides to prepare for tomorrow. I may even do some of the iHuman case tonight. But also, good news, I had ordered my Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine book. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. So these are really amazing. I'm very excited to flip through these and kind of get a really detailed look of internal medicine. There's just so much knowledge here. I'm excited to look at it. I have the 18th edition here. Again, that's Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine, and those two books all together were only like $75. I ordered them online, so like I said before, I'm a big believer in books. So if you have it there with you, you're more likely to look at it. And also I really like pictures, so there's that too. So just decide what's best for you. Is online books best, or for me personally, I like the real deal. So just wanted to share that with you. And then if you run out of things to do, you can always do your practice questions on Wednesdays, and maybe step outside a little bit and get some fresh air.